Japanese jiggly.
Okay.
So today we're going to be baking the Japanese jiggly cheesecake.
Hopefully it goes smoothly.
This is our most complex recipe yet.
I love how we're starting with the most complex.
Yeah.
We could have started with cookies, but no.
No. We mood.
We're wildin'. Alright, let's get started!
Cook!
Alright, everyone ready to die?
Okay.
We're going to the store.
We're
to buy
going
some,
to the store.
To buy some cornstarch and
What's this on the list?
milk.
Milk!
Left or right? Your whole direction.
Straight.
Oh, okay.
None of the above. Wacky baker.
Yeah. Oh, it's green.
Bro.
Ding, 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 ding.
Clown moment.
Okay, now where?
Clown.
Should I hit this bump full speed?
Full speed.
Medium red. Can you get out of my way? Okay, no. Why are the timers making this? Hi. Okay. Alright, let's go inside and see. We're gonna keep a counter. We're gonna keep a counter. Counter?
Yeah, a counter.
Is that without a beak? Okay, a counter of how many people give us weird looks in the store with these hats on, because you know what? It'll be interesting. Do you want to wear sunglasses because people are gonna be looking at us weird, or do you? No.
I'm just gonna go for it.
All right. Okay. Let's go. It's on sale. Oh, bruh. Bruh. Why would they sell milk in glass bottles? There's fat for people.
We got our ingredients.
Oh yeah. Forgot about you. Oh my god.
Shade.
You meaning the camera.
So hot. And we just shopped for ingredients at the store with our hats. Nobody stared at us though.
No one cares. It's
No one
LA.
cares.
They're used to the weirdness. Alright, let's get started.
Let's cook. Bake.
Okay, so we did research and realized that the recipe we're using like tastes like eggs, so we
Yeah.
have to sort of like improvise.
Because we don't want that.
And no. And so we're just doing extra of things that aren't eggs. So hopefully it turns out good. So the recipe calls for 4 ounces of cream cheese. And we're using 8.
Yeah.
And I can't get this open.
Let me see.
And then we need butter.
Bro. Oh.
Okay. And then it also calls for 7 tablespoons of butter. This is 8, so I have to do an adjustment. Maybe we should turn the heat on.
Yeah, medium heat. Where is that?
Maybe we should turn the heat on. Do you know how to work this?
No.
Awesome. Love it.
I've never used this before.
You've never used your stove.
I mean,
Bro,
my mom does. They use the stove.
I mean the oven.
Nikki. Whatever that's called.
Okay, so we've
Okay,
got
I'm just gonna watch out. I'm gonna like see what goes like.
butter. We're gonna die of like poisoning gas. Miss Hahn. Okay, so we have butter in here.
In this
Now we're
small
doing
pot.
cream cheese. So
And milk.
and then a cup of milk.
Bro moment.
Do you
Here,
want
do you want
to
to hold
switch
it up?
jobs?
Hold it up.
Let's switch jobs. Is that a cup?
Yeah.
This is not as satisfying as a BuzzFeed Tasty video.
No, not at all. How do they do it?
Okay, and so the next thing we're gonna do is whisk the egg yolks.
In a bowl. In another bowl.
Oh, we have to. Okay, so we need to be doing this at the same time. Ah!
Okay.
Stir. And then I'm gonna. Okay, and we're live. Okay. So I am about to make a giant mess, I can tell you that. Because this is messy.
Feel melted and smooth. It's not smooth.
Just make sure to take it off the heat, since we don't really know how to turn off the heat. So the next thing we do is, I'm gonna start whisking this.
Okay.
And then slowly you have to drizzle in
The cream cheese mixture, right?
the cream cheese mixture. So far so good. So now we are drizzling the cream cheese mixture while you stir into the egg yolk. The next step is putting the flour and the cornstarch in. And so I read that we should just do like, instead of like straight quarter cup, to do like heaping, just because it's not enough. So like it doesn't have to be perfect amount. So when you're measuring, like don't be on like,
Yeah.
you know. Okay.
I sifted for the first time.
Oh my goodness. Mm-hmm. Okay, so now we're gonna get the cornstarch.
Legends only.
Now we got the cornstarch, and we're gonna sift a quarter cup of that as well. Oh.
Bro moment.
All right, we've sifted.
We sifted.
And we're mixing. We out here. We mixing.
We out here.
And yeah, look, this is what I'm supposed to be doing. And it's what I'm doing.
It looks better.
So, You're just recording the bowl. You're just watching me and recording the bowl, okay. So now we're just gonna... Oh! That was probably a tablespoon size amount, but you know what? It'll taste good. Now we're gonna bzz the egg whites. I don't use words, I just use sounds.
You just, okay.
It says gradually add the sugar while continuing to beat. Nikki! We're so dumb!
How much?
Okay, how much? Two-third cup sugar.
Oh!
So now we're gonna take a little bit of the egg white. I mean, the egg white.
Bruh. We don't have parchment paper.
Do you have wax in it?
Clown moment. That was a good decision, adding the extra.
It tastes like cheesecake. That's
It does.
good.
It don't taste like eggs, which is what people were saying.
Yeah.
Food Network, pick us up.
Hire us. Seriously, honestly though, that would be like my dream come true.
Hit me up. Hit us up.
She's like joking, but I'm like dead serious. Food Network, please. I would love that.
Time to pour the
We're
batter
gonna pour it in.
the pan.
Ooh. There's flour all over my phone case, but 25 minutes, let's go.
Alright, so we realized we put the cake in without the water in the pan. Like
Literally?
we're supposed to for this recipe. So we had to take it out so we can fill this huge pan with water.
We're so dumb. Oh, it's like floating. Oh, this is so... We're so bad. Okay, this is just slowly going downhill. It's literally sloshing around in there.
Sloshing.
Okay, will you help because my hands don't fit in there. Okay, so it was in there for 5 minutes without water. So we're just gonna play that off like it's no big deal.
1 hour later.
Okie dokie.
Here we go.
We're taking it out.
Here we go, fam. Oh my god.
True. Please be jiggly. Oh, this is really hard to do. It's literally floating. I'm gonna keep this out without getting your hands wet, so we're just gonna
Rumble it.
yeah, just put it there. Okay. And this is how they did it in the tutorial. Okay.
Okay.
Please don't break apart. Please don't break apart. Please don't break. I love you, sweetie.
Oh my god, we are so sorry. You didn't deserve this ending.
Help me! There we go. Oh no!
Oh, bruh. Is it jiggly though?
It's, I mean, look at that.
Oh, bruh.
You know what? If we put powdered sugar over it, it's not gonna, like, it'll cover it.
Yeah. Let me get I'll get this one.
This is how I clean up all my mistakes. Powdered sugar. Just kidding. How do we want to decorate this? Just like around the entire circle? Like
and go like.
Oh.
I mean, it's kind of like a mix of flour.
No. This is why we're not culinary experts, because we don't have the whole plating thing down.
But which is why we should have a Food Network show.
Exactly, because no one else has the whole plating thing down. Okay. We finished. We did it.
We did it. This is how it turned out.
It looks beautiful, doesn't it?
I think it came out just the right amount of jiggly.
And just the right amount of love that was put into it.
And support.
The love sort of like burdened it down a little bit so it didn't fluff up as much.
Too much love, maybe.
Too much love. Oh, yes.
You can see it better now.
Yes, there you go. You really get the full shot
We
in
kinda,
all its glory.
We kind of cracked it in half.
You can't tell though, so don't tell them that.
Nope. Alright, so at first glance, I would give the plating and presentation a 10, maybe 11 out of 10.
Thank you, that means so much to me.
But now we will try the flavor.
It doesn't taste bad.
I get where they were saying
They
about
sang
the
the
egg.
eggs, so I can't imagine if we had used more eggs what it would taste like. It definitely smells like cheesecake. Like it smells like cream cheese. But because it's warm, it's weird. Like, you know, cheesecake's cold usually, right?
Usually.
I'm biased because I'm like proud of us for like actually being so successful with it.
Right.
So maybe like a 7.5. Okay, so we were eating it and we were trying to figure out how to describe what that unique taste was.
French toast.
It tastes kind of like French toast because French toast is like a bread with egg and like a sugar and vanilla extract mixture.
If you don't like cheesecake but you want French toast flavored cheesecake, then please do this. Because you don't.
You zoned out there for a second. Okay, so
you don't.
Do this again. I would say more sugar,
Definitely.
more cream cheese,
Less.
more vanilla extract, and maybe one less egg.
Yeah.
And
Definitely more cream cheese and sugar. Even though we doubled the cream cheese.
And I would want to figure out why it didn't poof up. Well, thank you so much for watching.
Thank you for watching our Japanese jiggly cheesecake.
Flower power.
Flower power. Stand flower power for health.
If we were to do another flower power baking segment, comment below what you guys would want to see us bake next. But obviously, it would have to be more complex than this because this was just too easy.
Pick a hard recipe, a really hard one that will ensue more chaos.
Yeah, this was pretty chaotic.
This was very chaotic.
We gotta top
more.
this.
We want more chaos.
Bring on the chaos.
That's what we live for. Flour.
Flour power. Oh.
Flour power.
Emmy's here.
And you'll edit that to make us look cooler.
Do you want to have a smaller bowl for the bowl? Oh, bruh.
We lost the hat!
You lick the bowl, you lick the bowl.
That was a good run.
Make me say, oh, oh. Flip it. Mix it and mix it and mix it and mix it.
Yeah.
You lick the bowl, you lick the bowl.